Now we're going to do a swap. So there we go to https://syncswap.xya/swap. So you have the link in the bio, in the description. Anyway, you do connect with Rabbi, we connect there. And there we will come to select the scroll blockchain. Since we are well on scroll, if it didn't work to connect, we can redo it. You see, we are well connected with the address that is here. There you go. There we will select Ether, since it's, we reselect scroll, It disappeared and we do switch. There you go. Switch network, there it is. We are on scroll. So there it detected that we had money. If we click on it, even tech, it gives us the value directly. Again, you have to leave a little for transaction fees. And then it's good to leave a little too, because when they do the airdrop, they look at whether people have left ethers on our blockchain or not. And it can be a criterion of eligibility. So we leave. There, for example, the total it makes $468. There, yes, I take off a little, it makes $434. We stay a little bit, it can be $20, $30. Each time it has to change, by the way, and we pass it in USDC, so you will see it will cost us 74 cents of transaction fee. We have the summary here, so the total between the transaction fees and the spread. So don't forget that there is a spread every time between the liquidity pools. There can be a difference of amount inside and that it will be taken every time. It's mandatory. So there we have an estimate of what we're going to send in Ether, the equivalent. It corresponds, so in dollars, to 434, and we will receive $433. So there we look. Everything is good. There we can even do a little slower if we want to win a few. There you go. We won 1 cent, great. And otherwise it will cost us 34 cents. We do confirm, but it's good. Sometimes we see our money like that disappear. Well, don't forget that behind, instead of $1, $2, we can recover $10,000, $100,000. See more. So it's a risk which, if you want to farm, are maybe worth it. So there you saw that it was transmitted to the blockchain. We will see it here. It is pending, so it is in the process of to be done. There you go. If we had done fast, it might have already arrived. There it can take 1 minute or 30 seconds, something like that. So there we just the farmer sync swap. So this platform, that is to say this platform, potentially it can also give us an airdrop. Don't forget to follow our account. At least we will tell you when the airdrop have arrived. So there we will see they have passed well in USDC at $433 on the stablecoin USDC, which are on the blockchain scroll. We left $33 of Ethereum on the scroll blockchain. And there we will pass them from USDC to USDT. So we stay here. USDC, we select USDT. Up we can put everything since the fees are taken in Ethereum. You always need to have a bit of Ether, but you don't need to have USDC or USDT. I've clicked OK and I'm initiating the swap. I need to confirm the swap again. I check everything is good. It's going to cost 26 cents. I click confirm. There is no spread between USDC and USDT, or very little, so we don't lose money on the spread. However, there are transaction fees each time. The transaction has been submitted for processing and will arrive in a few moments. We check and see that we have it in USDT, $433 in USDT. We still have our $33 in Ethereum on scroll. We could switch our USDT back to this platform, but we might as well farm another one.